Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is about how to add header, footer and page number to your document. So here you see this is my document and I will add the header, footer and page number to this document. So double click on the top of your page. So I bring my cursor to the top of the page and now double click on this. Once you double click on this, so at the left top corner you see the header, footer. So click on the header and here you see the different options available to you for using your header. So let me select the good one. So the best one for my document is I think this one. So add this one and add some text regarding your document. So I will add some information that my document is about the mechanical technology. So here I typed mechanical technology, and since this is a lab report, so add the word lab report as well. Now I have added this as my header. Now let's me increase the length of this strip by stretching this to the maximum extent. Now it is up to the full page and now you see the headers in all of your pages. So here you see. Now the next thing is to add a footer. So double click on the bottom of your page as I'm doing here. So now go to the footer at the now you see the different options for using your footer. So let's add any one of them. Add one according to your wish. So I will add this one. So here you see my name is added with this footer and the page number as well. So this is my second page and let's edit. You can edit this one. So here you see that the header and footer are added to your document. So this was all about adding header and footer. So thank you for watching this.